Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a unboxing of the Iogear 4K wireless HDTV connection kit. As you can see, this is model GW KIT 4K, which stands for 4K. The distance length is up to 100 feet. It should be supposed to be able to transfer all the way up to 4K. It's plug and play right here, or you can use the Wi-Fi mode, so you should be able to plug this right in and go. So the objective of this is to be able to transmit a 4K signal from one device and receive on another, like it's showing right here. You can do a laptop. People who hate wires, cords, and all that, you can just go ahead and have a movie from your laptop transmit to your TV. In my case, I'm trying to transmit from my receiver to my projector, so I won't have any wires as it hangs from the ceiling. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Here's the front of the box. Here's the bottom of the box right here. As you can see, just give you all your warnings and letting you know everything about it. Here's the bottom of the box. So I was telling you, it shows you the different ways you can use this device. It's pretty popular, especially with a lot of people trying to stream in other rooms and laptops and presentations. So right here, you put the transmitter from the laptop or game, and then the receiver receives on the right here, the TV or the projector. So this is pretty much what my setup is going to be. The PlayStation 5 to the projector, or my receiver to the projector. But let's go to the features here. So it says wireless mirror content from your smartphone, tablet, laptop display onto a display screen or projector screen. The max resolution of 4K. It's only at 30 Hertz. Wireless range is up to 100 feet. Distance may vary depending on the environment, which means if you have thick walls, it may not be able to go through it completely. Okay, so that's the back. We saw that nothing really on the top, so let's go ahead and open this up. So you get the stickers on all four sides to make sure it doesn't come open. Okay, and here's something else right here. Before we get to that, here's what the package contents is. You get one transmitter, one receiver, one power adapter, two HDMI cables, one antenna, one micro USB cable, one quick start guide, one warranty card, and they give it to you also in Spanish as well. So you do get a 1-year warranty. That's pretty cool. Okay. Okay, so we open this up. Have a piece of like protective film. Here it says stop, read me first. Register your product. So you have to go to Iogear in order to get that 1-year warranty for product updates, drivers, manuals, and things of that nature. Here's the quick start guide. Pretty much telling you what everything is on the back, what the lights are on the top for the transmitter and the receiver. Okay, so here's the antenna, it looks like. Got that out. Here's the antenna. And here's the transmitter. So they put in some protective, like styrofoam. It's not styrofoam, so it almost feels spongy like. So here's the transmitter, as you can see. Here's the top. Here's where the antenna goes. Here's the bottom right here, tell you HDMI, and this is where the HDMI cable will go for the transmitter. TX stands for transmitter. Okay, and that will just go on here like this. Okay, sound pretty tight, and then there you go. You can do your transmitter like this. So like I said, I can go ahead and put HDMI cord in here, put this to the PlayStation 5 or my receiver, and I can transmit from this over to my projector. So I'm gonna put this right here, and I'll give you guys a example of what I'm talking about. Okay, so we go on to the receiver part, RX. Here's the antennas. So this one only flex forward and backwards. It doesn't come out, so make sure you don't pull it so you won't break it. Here's your power, HDMI lights, USB. Push it back forward. Here's the back. As you can see, you got your HDMI, you have your power button, you have your DC adapter, and USB right here. Okay, let's see what else is in this box. Okay, some more protective film. Okay, I'm assuming this is probably the power adapter. Open this up. Okay, so this is the, yeah, so this is like a, depending on what country you're in, the outlet adapter. Okay, outlet adapter. Yeah, different outlets for the adapter. This will probably be, definitely be the one. US power adapter. And this one. And here's another one. Not sure what country, Europe maybe. So they give you 3 different ones. Yeah, they give you another one. At least they give you pretty much a lot, so depending on what country you're in, you definitely have. So this one doesn't have the holes on the side. Okay, and finally we are to the adapter. Okay, so this is how it looks. Here's the bottom. Here's the side. And here's the back. So this would be the adapter that I would use. And it just locks in like that. But whatever country you're going to use it, or even if you travel, you can bring these with you for presentations or business. So that's also a good thing. Alright, so let's see what else is in the box. Let's finish this up. Okay, we take this out. Okay, so it looks like here's the power adapter. Micro USB. Power adapter. USB power adapter. Here's HDMI. A short one, and here's looks like a longer HDMI cable. And that is all that's in the box here. So let's take a look at this. So this is the HDMI So depending on how you would do it, you would put this in right here, and this is wherever you want to receive whatever you want the image to be received. They give you a short one, and they also, like I said, they give you a longer HDMI cable. So this is all that's in the box. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick. So what I was trying to transmit, just so if anyone else is trying to have this problem and want to know more about it. So I'm gonna hook this up to the receiver and show you guys how it's supposed to be set up. Okay, so you see I have a 7.2 Sony Dolby Atmos receiver. So I want to project this to the images from this projector, this receiver to my projector. So as you can see, this is the transmitter. I want to be able to transmit all the images coming from right here. As you can see, right there with the eARC and the ARC, this will transfer the image from this receiver, or if this was a PlayStation 5, Xbox, laptop, whatever you have, and it will be transmitted to my projector right here. So you can see I'm trying to make sure I have received this in the mail, got it from Amazon. So now that everything is received with the receiver and the transmitter, then I'll hang it up on the ceiling and it'll be good to go. That way I don't have to run any wires or HDMI cables that far all the way to the projector. And all you do is hook this up to the HDMI in the back of your projector if it has it, and then you're gonna be good to go. So guys, I'll go ahead and put some links in the description for you. Make sure you subscribe, like the channel, and thanks for watching this unboxing.